Hello students, welcome to our channel DAV Bhavarmal. Today I am going to teach you a part of tense. It is present continuous tense. The first question is, what is the identification of present? So the identification of present is hai or hu in Hindi. And for continuous, raha, rahi and rahe. These are the identification of continuous. If we add it these two, so raha hai, rahi hai and rahe hain. If any sentence in Hindi at last there is raha hai, rahi hai and rahe hain, so that means these are belong to present continuous tense. Suppose मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, वह कपड़े धो रही है, वे बाजार जा रहे हैं. These are the identification of present continuous tense and the example also, because at last there is raha hai, rahi hai and rahe hain. Now coming to the structure, or we can say the formula. So first we have to put the subject, then helping verb. We have three helping verb for present continuous tense: is, am and are. Then the next one, V1 plus ing. V1, that means first form of verb, and then ing, we can also say it fourth form of verb, and then at last object. So let's take an example in Hindi. वे घर जा रहे हैं. You can see the last two word is written there, रहे हैं. As I explained that if the last sentence is रहे हैं, रहा है, रहे हैं, these are belong from present continuous tense. So if we want to convert this sentence into English, so then we understood that this is the example of present continuous tense, because at last there is written रहे हैं. If we want to convert into English, see the structure. First is written subject. So वे is the subject here. So for English, the वे, that means they. We have three helping verb. They is a plural, so we will use are as a helping verb. Then V1 plus ing. What is the verb here? Jana is the verb, so go is the first form, and then ing, going. Then at last put the object. So object is here घर, so to home. कहीं भी जाने के पहले to as a preposition हम लोग यूज करते हैं. So आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? They are going to home. This is the part of positive or affirmative sentence. I hope you understood. Then coming to the negative sentence, negative part of sentence. If we want to convert into negative, after helping verb, we will use not. So let's start. Again, the subject as it is, they. Helping verb are as it is. After helping verb, as I said, not we have to use. So they are not. Rest will be same as positive sentence. Going to home. So they are not going to home is the negative sentence. Then coming to the interrogative, or we can say the questioning sentence. Mostly students, they are confused that how we can convert the interrogative or questioning sentence, or how we can make the interrogative or questioning sentence. So it is easy. Just we have to follow a one rule. If we want to convert into positive sentence to interrogative sentence, always the helping verb will come first. So you can say in this sentence are is the helping verb, so are will come first. Then put the subject they, then verb plus ing, going, then put the object at last. So it will be are they going to home, and put the question mark. It is the symbol of interrogative sentence. Then coming to the last one, intro plus negative sentence. We have to follow two rules here, interrogative and negative also. So for interrogative, as I said, helping verb will come first. So you can see are, I have written are at first. Then put the subject. Then we have to follow the rules of negative also. So for rules, not will be used. So are they not going to home, and put the question mark at last. It will convert into intro plus negative sentence. So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.